Nirmala Kenyam biya Kamal bana right kaman Läär de ka kaje keji ka border dung Uganda kene South Sudan kaman ana shalat bana more information bana kaje kajen report me ani biya Kamal en wale chanka kel ka pai badak ron kin dangro udijan dangro with the bakel bana more information bana kalen gwasame. Please make sure be channel be support be subscribe ka be follow. Ka border dung Uganda kajen latest information about linguasamani. Take a job mashallah by the way, and this is very concerning. Katin konlar karodi ra wike South Sudan ko border dung Uganda kana South Sudan ai kon mechi toktin ka kor gwa de shang. But en raja pilot gwasme what tension ngode very high long. Commissioner dung kaje keji chala do ne jeni situation ka border dung South Sudan kan Uganda jeni a very concerning in term. Jeni cheng medan cha diplomatics mission charge nang winimi alochi na urai kata dan de border de jaganga je chit ka medan shaling no chikoria to gwade chane de wan cha connecting including kendine SSPDF me cha base dan ticketing me charge dak kume Uganda UPDF, you know. Right now, kajan kor gwade chi Ugandan de ni ken chigna chicken kamak me chicken SSPDF base chicken target men take a border re which winemi she 10 of thousand of civilians are in bar gwade dan is korea tokten kajan latest information me mo kon like kwidement information me cha gor no Alakum Uganda, she can take a cooperation agreement, you know. She can take a joint border security management, which can a lot. A Kakorga Mexico, like Ugandan, Kuala City of Arwa, then Guadadan, she go right in. Commissioner Wani Jackson Mule, Gelaro Nene. A genital committee to a pine at the border right now. Genital Uganda, La South Sudan, and Uganda militaries, or general telecom chit walked in. Take ne to kujadodian, tene to kujadodian. But Chija Kulara and Wani, a general and right corner, to take a reinforcement teach it walk. They need to one day unknown border. Can they toy unknown border dung South Sudan Kayano known about Kadung Uganda. So Chiji Uganda chicken troop Dinijan along chicken and no. Ka Uganda side right now right corner. A general chair observe already know chap force Medinijan Chanonka border. A Uganda watching doing the chicken rep. So right now, what does that mean? Right now, right conco chap chanating one day in one Chanonka border. It means that take a Medodian Medongbro Latka Gwasenbe. Shekulara nene akuka ne kujino endeje painunga minonga ko bika bengere endeje de tenugun wala mu bara wakan di alchamanaka can she unclear right now and additional force shanunga mshanyo mu kwa deploy right now minonga ko bika de tin bika na be replace wala mu chitwo ajene kuka ne kuch ajene ka gwase dan shikan maljikan tain ke chika tika dol ajene telekom chitwo ajene ken de ni kan gajen gwanaken ala de ni Uganda kan gajen gwadan tiketin ka kan de Uganda bo de South Sudan kan gajen gwadan tiketin ka border so mu di awadi ni Uganda shika jen gwadan shikan South Sudanese SSPD American ga George ta George ka kaje keji gwate ko ne shika wetin wa shika rementen Kidini SSPDF gwadadan cha ajo tinti nyo muka chongten dino michinaro aje wache look ji Uganda UPDF look no jen kan ka border look no jen kan gwase dana chikan amai kakume South Sudan so chakula do nene they remain there and that means fighting can break out anytime no kodi michi Uganda chi lana reinforcement again in a state ne chaga jugo yena de nukun de en ko wojan wenamo ka jen border gwada na shaji sha kum South Sudan cha joiten ko joga ni jen SSPDF ala base de ne sha destroy chaga joiten chaji Uganda UPDF cha kul jugo yena de yen rodun wodi yen nyokolo jo gwada yenten in a state lokane chikare mi nyok right now ajen gejen right now very soon maybe don't they koda to nyok ka Uganda border kene South Sudan neme very concerning agenda no kwala goro biya ngajino ko ngai kone taye dan me chi kormeje to gaje che joje no di chine di atun wan chike jien chengni me dan e chi chawa cha jolat karwa so and what they done cha daga ji Uganda like UPDF chicken dor shwal ke li wolo payam chicken dak no ka chicken it chop ke 10,000 civilian chicken get displaced chicken get joj and what the money and time right now right corner time ala kume Uganda People Defense Force cha kume SSPDF charging ala kume Uganda kume South Sudan mala South Sudan People Defense Force cha mudan lat ken chaling ji South Sudan ken yen ji Uganda muna medunda yana loje jok we akamundun ji Uganda no muna me hedunda mai kondi aldio je karone paiwo ji kondi al michit ke the same similar situation chana jenen je nyoko tuokon tama but ni kono lo kon katin kon latke kuma self ke mi yadit kana je kwar de kono je gonode kir take a connection with it ka netin konti la je Uganda of course Uganda che jek netin contain winimi junga kel kana de konti la South Sudanese ko gorne ideal gorne ideal within Kampala so ka kuja mo kai nyok Uganda kan ku South Sudanese refugees kan ku ko hostel ko take a refugees camp gwatmi so we mean that to relationship medit kaje the same as Ethiopia relationship jatan the same as Sudan relationship jatan but kula balke Uganda mun lok South Sudanese kan woda ba majamun ndan ante South Sudanese ten adar kula la long mutedin tama so alamna lero da jenen shi ne den konti la jiwi tegare ko ne konti tegare ke dini ko di dini panken ala ko la jorka ke self kim yadi no won akane den kontin kwa self kim yadi kwa je disrespect ko jen pay ke $1,000 and still ngoda wa mun so Sudanese waje leldi waje nangaken bare genene kat latest information dordan chikana dak wati ke gol ke take min rolli so it mean that gor kano de kana kanan gwata mokarwada and you need to corner jorka by the way shiganedia la wake specific people specific UPDF shiganedia chi kuma ke le jorka moka yono ya nyenye kanwari ki wa nyenye ke kuma SPLA ayo kene de kono ku benefit ke South Sudan wake very few individual ku gal use ne gat chanen kono charlong begana jakor no we akor by moy mech so na mo janta dalten so mutwa ko border gwasme nana ne de ti kene de kanjur ne de ne gur kana kon so they are looking for food gur kana kon weno jen mutekare ka dan nen kono gwadamo ka Uganda South Sudan border ka kaju keje right now tension more very high ke latest report piben so it means that anytime sooner or later they could to kon gwasmo kwana la jogo nonen kore me chete kam civilian kana civilian kore me edung de ni kana de ni nedin kona dong de border de jaganga Uganda People Defense Force kana South Sudan People Defense Force mi jete gre mi chora lat ke kwiri sos ni de dar ne je ko meb jaten kan ai ke je bander no peg na gwada den en kumi Uganda border yana wen den ka kuma South Sudan border yana gwada den ka demarcation janin gwada mala kai dan kuna da jin gwada na pekten but Ugandan chicken South Sudan government weakness can they use no kula ma ni munji Equatoria ko mun mo munji Equatoria so right now the me amule road right now ngoda can figure out chen me now dolka ro still tele mi cha ya tin me ku buna ku jal ka jogde instead Uganda kan mo rep kan de ni ken ci South Sudan ku jimi bo ci kanu ga mo rep kan de ni SSPDF ka border wagu na road so very soon don't let take me jam talk God save South Sudan.